Try and get some photos before it rains.
I'd rather get me jam words in good night. When you play with time, I'm gonna leave my place when you burn my fire. Ain't nothing sweeter than me. Yeah, sweeter than me. Ain't nothing sweeter than me. Yeah, sweeter than me. Ain't nothing sweeter than me. Yeah.
G'day.
Get it off the 6 hole.
You want a 10 grand there for you?
That's going back a wall. That's just under the floor.
You know where they are, mate. The other boat, you said you got burnt down? You've done up to 70, I think.
Put that smoke out, you. No smoke in there, think it's fuel.
What's that? Must be a. Is that a big DeSoto or something? Is that a DeSoto?
I don't know.
I think it is. Big car, aren't they? No, it's a Buick, big Buick. So there's a car like Gavin's, same, 4-door, Kingswood, 72 Kingswood. Little Dado. Wow, lots of oldies, eh? You alright? Go this way.
Me? I want to run. Everyone runs SUs.
See? What if you had one of them? Tow the caravan. How would you get in now one of them?
And it's got a side runner on
Yeah. But you want about 230,000 bucks, I suppose. A few trucks. Fred's big truck, eh? Fred's. So we got some more trucks here.
We're going back to the car.
You all right? Not registered, that one. That one's sitting up nice. There's a Braham. I used to have a Braham. Well,
They're a lot longer too, aren't they? The Brahms compared to the normal HDs.
Yeah,
They've
6
got-
inches.
Yeah.
I used to have a 307 Chevy Braham.
If you had two together, they're on the back. It's mainly on the back end. Yeah.
Yeah, it
Very
was only-
noticeable if you had them together. Yeah.
Yeah, it was only 6 inches on the back and different tail lights.
Most people don't know unless they know what the Brahms paint. Yeah.
Yeah, mine was a turquoise with a beige vinyl roof. Same beige interior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mate used to have an original white. Well, I'm talking when I was younger. Steel column shift and everything.
Yeah, and
Colin shift.
had an 8-track stereo.
Yeah, I think it was 3-speed Colin. I think, yeah.
And mine was a 2-speed Power Glide column.
Yeah, yeah.
2
I could be
speed.
wrong, it might have been 2, but yeah, I think it was 3.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, different grill. Different grill on that. Ute. Yuck. That is, I do not like. That's nice.
Thank you.
The old Honda,
That's good fun.
Lots of utes. It's got a Statesman DeVille front end.
Come down for a look around. Bring your machine down. Oh, these are yours?
Allen's.